Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 12 from 2023, and let me share with you how to change the video resolution on this device. So first of all, we have to open the camera app, and right now we are in the standard photo mode, so we have to switch to the video one. And right here we can take a look at this option bar at the top, and on the first position from the right we've got the resolution, so let's tap. And as you can see, we've got 4 different resolutions to choose from. We've got 2 different 1080p options, and the only difference is in frames per second. We've got the 2K and 720p, of course. So basically all you have to do in order to change the resolution is to simply tap on the one you'd like to use, and as you can see it will be immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on your device will record the videos in chosen resolution. So basically that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your INFINIX Note 12 from 2023. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.